We're gonna start in the bedroom this time. So 3-bed, okay? These are the bedrooms. These are the 2 bedrooms upstairs. 3 bedrooms. Nice skylight over here. It's pretty cool. If you know anything about Nahant, Massachusetts, you know I'm right in the middle of the ocean. 3 bedrooms, 1 bathrooms. Nice living room to entertain. That's the entrance. Look at those signs. DNA Realty Group. Updated. Painted nice. Bathroom. 1 bath. You can get a house like this. This kitchen. Easily to entertain. And it also includes a yard. In Nahant, Massachusetts. Right by the ocean. You could take walks all around and enjoy the view, enjoy the deck. This is actually a nice place to get a suntan. This place is really awesome. You could get this house, 3-bed, 1 bath, for a magical price of $570,000. If you have any questions or if you're looking for a property like this, go to DNA Realty Group. And this is what you can get in Nahant, Massachusetts. 570, 3-bed, 1 bath, and you are right near the ocean. If you want this place, you know what to do. It's not gonna last long.